Good morning, students. Standard 5th, subject General English. Assignment 11. The adverb. Read the following sentences. The old man walks slowly. I am really happy. Rekha sings very sweetly. In sentence first, the word slowly is used to modify the verb walks. In sentence 2, the word really modifies the adjective happy. In sentence 3, the word very is used to modify the adverb sweetly. The words slowly, really and very in the 3 sentences above are adverb. Words that modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs are called adverbs. Note that adverbs are mostly made by adding ly to the adjectives and are generally used after the verbs which they modify but are placed before the adjectives or adverbs which they modify. Below is given a list of common adjectives and the adverbs made from them. नीचे में लिस्ट दिया है एडजेक्टिव एंड एडवर्ब का. काइंड काइंडली, रूड रूडली, पोलाइट पोलाइटली, क्विक क्विकली, हेस्टी हेस्टिली, स्मार्ट स्मार्टली, हैप्पी हैप्पीली, लाउड लाउडली, रूट रूटली, सॉफ्ट सॉफ्टली, lucky luckily, fortunate fortunately, silent silently, special specially, common commonly, ready readily, right rightly, wrong wrongly. देखो एडवर्ब में मोस्ट ऑफली एल वाई लगता है, अदरवाइज लास्ट में किसी स्पेलिंग में डी हो तो आई एल वाई लगेगा. ये चैप्टर पूरा इंग्लिश जनरल इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है, और जनरल इंग्लिश की नोटबुक नहीं बनाई हो तो HW नोटबुक में लिखना है और ये पूरा लिखना है. एग्जाम्पल 1. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ सिचुएटेबल एडवर्ब्स. सिलेक्ट द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ एडवर्ब्स गिवन बिलो. ऊपर ब्रैकेट में कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उसमें से सिलेक्ट करके ब्लैंक में हमें फिलअप करना है. द चिल्ड्रन लिसन टू द टीचर अटेंडेंटली. द फायर डिस्ट्रॉयड द हाउस. Completely. The police fined the driver because he drove the car carelessly. Those who work blanked on success. He served his master blank for 50 years. Fatfully. The cuckoo sing sweetly. People should walk and talk silently. I solved the sum this way, but my brother did it differently. The jolly young man was singing happily. He dressed himself blank for the marriage. Smartly. She is blank happy today. She is very happy today. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. The first one is done for you. He came earlier. She worked hard for her son. We must write the words neatly. He looked at me curiously. The boy answered the questions correctly. It was a very interesting book. The beggar looked at me helplessly. You did work carelessly. He came home in a very sad mood. She solved the sum wrongly. They left the mall hastily, and the grass grew very tall. Clear? ओके कंप्लीट। इंग्लिश जनरल इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है आपको